How to stop Roblox from crashing. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Windows, then simply click on Power button and then click on Restart option. Simply restart your device, open Roblox and see if it's crashing or not. If you still have the problem, simply go to the first display, right click on Roblox, and you'll find all these options pop up. Simply click on Run as Administrator. Simply press on Yes. After you pressed on Yes, Roblox app will be opened. After it's open, you're good to go. This is how to stop Roblox crashing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.